Coming up,
my husband accidentally broke it. This colorway might surprise a few of you guys, but I think it's the perfect shade for my wardrobe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Now in today's video, I have a very exciting Hermes unboxing. These are a few items that were on my wish list, so I'm so excited to unbox with you guys, so let's get right into it. This is one of my favorite times in the city. We are starting to see some of that pre-fall weather and football starting up. So this past Saturday, I went to my typical morning workout, and then I checked out a couple of farmers market. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you guys know I love a good farmers market. I'm always checking out the honey almond croissants, picking up some of those fresh flowers, and that day I was all about finding some good tamales. Ended up finding some sweet corn tamales for lunch, and then after that I headed over to my appointment in downtown Chicago at Hermes. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of the items I picked up. Some of these items were on my wish list, so I'm super excited to reveal. So let's kick things off with the first item. Now my first item is in this box, and if you can tell, it's an Apple Watch band. Now I was looking for a replacement for my activewear watch band with something more appropriate for the office. So quick reveal. It's my Etude watch band. My essay, she ended up bringing out the gold and Etude versions of this band. I decided to go with the Etude, something different, a change up from a lot of the gold and tans I typically wear in the fall season. Honestly, I will probably end up picking up the gold one at some point down the line, but for now I'm so happy to have this one, and I was able to check this one off of my wish list. My second item is in this box, and it's from the home section, and a little bit of a mini story time. If you recall my last Hermes unboxing video, which I will have linked below, this item from the home section, my husband accidentally broke it, and he didn't even get a chance to use it. So here we are. I got him a replacement one. It is not the same exact thing. I just wanted to find something that I thought he would like, and I'm going to show you guys. And so that is why there's no ribbon on it, because he already opened it as a nice surprise for him. So let me show you guys the design that I ended up going with. Here we go. This one. I think it's really pretty with the colors. You can see that equestrian, a little bit of the stamp there with the Hermes call out, and just a very classic, pretty design. I think that would look really nice in his office. So he was certainly surprised, wasn't expecting it. My heart broke when literally the cup broke. So he showed it to me, and I know he felt horrible, but what can you do? My next item is in this box, and this one was also on my wish list. This item I actually have in a different colorway, and this one I feel like is a wardrobe essential. So she had this one, and I'm just gonna get right into it. This colorway might surprise a few of you guys, but I think it's the perfect shade for my wardrobe. All right. It's a Kelly belt, and this is in black Epsom. So you can see the leather, it's more that pressed leather. And if I can show you guys this, okay, here we go. This is in the rose gold. I love Hermes's rose gold. So to me, she had this in stock, and I think it actually looked really good with my dress that I'm wearing right now. But this one, so good. The beauty of Hermes's Kelly belt, I think it's just one of the best belts out there, because you can adjust the sizing, whether it's like up on your waist or lower, like when I'm wearing jeans. I think this is an amazing belt. I thought I'd show you guys a little bit more up close my two Kelly belts. So excited to have both. This one was my first Kelly belt. It's in the gold with the gold hardware. I got this item earlier on when I started purchasing Hermes, and it's been one of my favorite go-to items in my entire wardrobe. And then obviously the black. Both are in Epsom, and you can see the hardware difference. I really like black compared with this rose gold. I think that's such a beautiful pairing, and they're two different hardwares and two different colorways in terms of the leather. So I'll share with you guys, this is a shot of me trying on in the store. Like I said, these Kelly belts, I think they're amazing. They just elevate an otherwise basic outfit. That day I was wearing a green t-shirt with some white denim, and I just think that Kelly belt, it just takes it up to another level. Like I said, here's my dress, and I think it looks super chic with more of the black and a little pop of that rose gold hardware. My last item is a pair of black boots. I actually don't have them to show you guys right now because it's being shipped to me. So my SA told me that a lot of the boots are coming in over the next month, but I was able to find a pair of boots that are on the website, and she was able to order it for me. If you recall from my fall wish list video, I talked about adding a pair of black boots. The two I was deciding upon were the Jenna knit black boot as well as a pair of leather black boots. It's one of those two, and as soon as I get them in the mail, I'll be sure to share with you guys. Hey guys, I'm so excited because my boots finally came in the mail. I'm gonna open it up with you guys, so let's check it out. Look at these. So pretty. Wow. And for quick comparison's sake, I gotta bring out my off-white beige booties. I love it. Look at that. That's so cute, guys. Okay guys, well that is it for my Hermes unboxing. What was your favorite item from today's reveal? Leave it in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Take care.